Ari Padilla, and I'm the water park supervisor. So the way Life Lore has changed, kind of like the way down here at the water park, I've been here for 5 years now. The flooring used to be concrete, so there wasn't a day where we wouldn't get an injury. So we give injuries, we give out incident reports every day, even if they need a Band-Aid or something like that. Kids are always really excited, and they jump out of the slides really quickly, and they always fall on the floor. There's always a scrape on the knee, on the head, anywhere you can think of. Like I said, there's always been like at least one incident ever since we've had the Life Lore, so we haven't had one. The kids have interacted with them. The little ones, the little toddlers, I've seen their parents even sit on the floor with them just because the floor is so comfortable. It gets really hot here, so the flooring is really cool. Everybody likes to step on the floor now. I don't know, I've just seen a lot of really good interactions with the Life Lore and with all the guests, and especially with us too. It's really cushioning for our feet. As far as maintenance goes, it's really simple. We just come out here with a sweeper or with a sweepy, and where all the girls just come out and just start sweeping all the debris on it. There's some like dust that comes from the wind, but it's really easy to maintain clean. There's ever little stains, we just again hit it with a broom really quickly, but it's pretty easy to keep it clean.
Life Lore has been great. We had it installed early January, so we've been open for a couple of months, and the kids love it, the guests love it, and it's beautiful. Well, before we had cement, which was not very slip resistant, conducive to falls, so we're much happier now and much safer now with Life Lore. The kids love it. Kids play differently out here with Life Lore. It's a really funny thing. Parents are out here sitting down with their kids. It's hard to explain, but they play differently, and they have more fun, and it looks beautiful. Installation went great. Inside Edge is a great company. Love to partner with them again. Yeah, of course. Water parks need Life Lore. It's a great asset to their business and for their guests' comfort. It's a wonderful thing.
Yeah, no, the colors are really vibrant. It was not slippery at all. We've actually been to this hotel before, so it was nice to see sort of the new, updated look and feel. And the kids really enjoyed it and had a lot of fun, and no one fell, and everyone seemed to have a blast.